Hello friends, welcome back to TESTOFF channel. The correct answer will be shown 15 seconds after the question. You can pause the video if this time is not enough for you. Don't forget to share your results in the comments below the video. Subscribe to TESTOFF channel and share this video with your friends. There's something in the dark. Are you free on Thursday? My house is larger than yours. It was sunny outside, but we decided to stay at home. My favorite animal is a dog. Mary doesn't drink juice. She studied chemistry when she was young. Now she's 70. Tom and Mary were doing their homework when I came. Is Carla at home? I'm afraid she has just gone. He's found a good job.